Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me again for day 2 of Vlogmas. If I didn't get a chance to meet you yesterday, I want to make sure I tell you that my name is Elisa, and this is Elisa's Adventures in Cruising. I want to show you one of my small gift ideas from the Dollar Tree. This is a wall decor item. It is made of metal, very lightweight though, and I thought it would be a great way to display some of your magnets. Now I know lots of folks collect magnets from everywhere they travel to, and cruisers are no exceptions to that. Every port that you go to, if you just want to pick up a magnet as a quick souvenir, it's easy to come home and put it on the refrigerator, remind yourself of your travels. But in this case, this little hanging could go anywhere, not just the refrigerator. If you want to put it on the wall, maybe your desk area or cubicle at work, and just another way to display your magnet collection. I just thought it was a cute little idea for a small gift for your fellow cruisers. I know folks are always looking for small gifts or little crafty things that they can have their children give to grandparents and aunties, and anyway, just thought it was a neat idea. I hope you guys can find this as well. They also had some items that were same material, but they were standing. So like I know I saw a pineapple, I think I have footage of that, and some other cutout designs. So anyway, I hope you guys like the idea and maybe can find it at your local Dollar Tree. It's been a while since I've been back at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go in and check out the holiday finds. Yeah, because that's not gonna happen. No, not gonna happen. This is where I used to get the water stuff. Oh, here's the stuff. Ooh, look, it might black and white. Okay, are you guys magnet collectors? My mom is a longtime magnet collector from everywhere she vacations. There's some other ones on here too, but lots from cruise ports that you will probably recognize. We love a magnet. It's a great souvenir, usually not too expensive, although some of them are getting very elaborate these days. You can collect them easily and definitely have a place for them in the home where you can see it and be reminded of your trip. So I can't catch up. I can't compete with this. I'm not gonna try. When you guys see my magnet collection, you're gonna be like, oh. I'm gonna keep going though. I'm gonna keep going. But magnets, awesome souvenir. I want to show you my magnet collection. It's growing. It's growing. Okay guys, here we go. As promised, here is my magnet collection. Nothing on the bottom yet. Like I said, I have not been collecting them as nearly as long as my mom has. But I have learned that it is such an easy way of taking home a souvenir, an inexpensive souvenir, in remembrance of your great vacation. So I'm sure you guys will recognize these cruise ports: Cozumel, let's see, Coco Cay, Grand Turk, Costa Maya, Puerto Rico, Cozumel. Let's see. I guess I have a few from Cozumel. But yeah, so goals. This I should show this first. This is the mini collection, and my mom has the full blown. I've been just about everywhere in the Caribbean. uh, Full collection of souvenir magnets.